Hi all, this is Akash Pandey. I'm currently working as a data engineer in Tata Consultancy Services. So, for this advanced data science capstone project, I have chosen the idea of COVID-19 prediction. Like we have data of 3 weeks, week 1, week 2, and week 3. Based on that, we are going to predict. I'm going to predict the week 4's patient data. So for this I am using Kaggle dataset, and this dataset I am using, this is contributed by SRK and 3 more collaborators. And in this database we have mainly three types, 3 files, and these files are, as you can see here, these files are age group details as well as COVID-19 India patient based on the weeks. And I have one more thing like hospital beds, so we can predict how many patient will increase as well as how much beds we have in India and how much more beds we need, and all these things like population, how many peoples are infected in 1 million data. So for this I am creating this data set, creating this prediction model. So I analysis this data from various sources. As you can see here, I just Google it, and I'm using the worldwide map for this data. And like in China it's already infected, and all these countries are facing this challenge, but for India is we have controlled. Like if I'm hovering the mouse here, it is showing 4.31 cases as per 1 million people, and around that 565 confirmed cases, and 478 patients are recovered with that, and 169 death occurred. So I just see the condition in world, and I decided to create the my capstone project based on the coronavirus update. So the first question is why I have chosen India, because we have some control on the increasing day by day cases, but as you can see US or any other countries, like they have no control. As you can see here, 4,38,000 82 cases, confirmed cases. So if I can do that, this will great for me as well as the society. So I have opened one more tracker, and this is live tracker which is showing worldwide the corona updates. So I am using some Python scraping. By this I am extracting the data from these sources and creating our own data set. Okay, so as you can see here, the India, like yeah, I saw somewhere. So yeah, it's showing 6,653 cases, and today 737 cases in new added, and 199, around 200 deaths. And for this today 21 deaths occurred, and this data is different. So I am extracting this data from here as well as other sources too. So yeah, as you can see how the graph is growing, and I want to create this kind of graph. Like this is showing how much cases is increasing day by day. As you can see, 15th of February the case 3 cases in India, February 1 3 cases. As you can see the how cases are increasing day by day. So I will create this part also in our project using the matplotlib and other libraries. So I will create this kind of chart, so we can predict. Like it's showing, it's not predicting how much case will be on April 9 or April 8. It's showing only data it have. Okay, so I will create this data, this kind of graphs when in my project. Okay, so I have data, I will create this, and yeah, this is the live tracker as you can see. So this is the today data set. On that website we have shown only the 6th of April data set, but this website have the latest information. So what I will do, I will predict how much patient will increase on 10th of April or 13th of April, and this is the whole idea. Okay, so I am going to use the Jupyter notebook, and for dataset I am using pandas library, and I will train my model using deep learning or normal prediction model, and this is the whole idea. Hope you understand.